Hi folks, so this is the second day that I released my drone, and I am still learning to control it in the best way possible, but of course this is going to take a lot of time. Some people advised me on one of Facebook group for drones that I'm gonna have to fly at least 10, 15, 12, 20 hours with the drone in order to be able to better control it, and of course also controlling the drone during this the same time you must control the camera and point it to where you want to go. As you see, I make raw footage for now with the drone, and the extremely beautiful nature is very well shown here, but of course there is some issue with the light exposure. Depending how I move the camera and the drone, and when the light is against the camera, or when you switched from shadow to lighted areas and you move the camera from shadow to lighted areas, or reverse, it's making some trouble. This is the light exposure differences. But anyway, I here show my plot on my family's 7 acres of land in the Rhodope Mountains of Bulgaria, and here I already have started digging the trenches for my Eco Cob House and Workshop adventure, and my aim is to build this autumn, if possible, until up to the roof. My first phase is gonna be the workshop, but the second phase, the actual Eco House, I think to do it tomorrow. And here you see me, I'm testing still the drone, putting it down. I was about here to land the drone, but later I decided to again fly it for more time. I just was seeing that the battery, no, here actually I landed. Okay, I'm doing this voiceover on the moment, and I certainly didn't know that this video, about 4 minutes long, I'm gonna have to cut.